So I've been welding with this welding hood, which is from Harbor Freight. Good enough for most of the time. But when I was working on the F100 cab over there, most of that work was inside of the cab or at eye level. So I wasn't bending over to weld on anything. Now, with all of the lights that I have in here that are new since I was working on that heavily, now when I bend over, I get an awful glare in my hood off of the screen. So I'm going to try something new. Grab these auto darkening welding goggles with face shield in hopes that, well, because they're goggles, there won't be a glare because they'll be pressed up against my face. Remove this protective film before welding. Why don't you move the protective film while you're manufacturing? Shade. Max. Sensitivity. Max. That's what I did do. Delay. Minimum. I just always set them max, minimum. Maximum shade, maximum sensitivity, minimum delay. One of the other things that I'm going to enjoy about this is because there's no peripheral, I can jam out while I'm working. I'll let you know if I like these or not. I dialed the shade back to about 50%. If it's anything more shade than 50%, I can't see what the hell I'm welding. I can't see my welding pool. Sensitivity also is back down to about 2/3 there. Okay, just not gonna focus. All right, but it's back down to about 2/3 there. Otherwise, the lens just stays dark and you can't see anything once you stop welding. Delay all the way maxed out to minimum, and I'm loving this. I'm gonna link this below. You can give it a try. It's not so expensive that it's not worth trying.